some little tricks for the T-lift technique, especially the screw insertion. Either you do it MIS or open, it doesn't matter. Especially as one is always difficult to find the entry point. But if you take off the facet first, like this, and then you can take off a little bit of the outer facet, and you have a much more medial entry point of your pedicle screw, which then leads to a better convergence and a better end of your screw in the anterior part of the vertebra. That's one. And you can align it much nicer to the upper screw here. And then this goes along with staying on the ring apophysis for your this distraction or your this space distraction. This is very important too. You see the ring apophysis here? This is your friend, not the smooth spot in the middle. So in order to get the height, rather stay out here when you have taken off the facet, it's easy, or go all the way to the other side to stay on the ring apophysis on the other side. In addition, you can kind of release a little bit the anterior ligament in order to really be able, in a very collapsed disc space, to create the height. Sticking to those little tips and tricks, you can have a long cage in, and you can really create height in the front in order to, with a compression, to have a better lordosis with your T-lift. Either you do it open or MIS. Thank you very much.